Today, we're checking out the Öhlins HD44 13-inch rear shocks. These are going to give Harley Touring models much better performance when they've got much more aggressive load or trying to ride two-up. So let's check them out. In the box, you'll find a pair of high-pressure monotube shocks with 36mm pistons, remote reservoirs, all the mounting brackets you need, preload adjustment tools, and springs. Everything needed for a direct swap on 2014 and 2025 Touring Harleys. The monotubes have a gas-charged design with an external reservoir that's going to resist fading, remaining much more stable than emulsion shocks would do. They have fully adjustable compression on the reservoir, rebound on the top of the shock, preload, and a 1/2 inch of traveling length so you can fine-tune your ride height. These will fit 2014 up to 2025 Harley Touring models, but just note these are for standard touring frames. They are not meant for CVO platforms. So if you like to ride your touring model two-up or with a heavy load of luggage, then you're definitely going to want to check out the Öhlins HD44 13-inch rear touring shocks that you can get today at DennisKirk.com.